Drones let us do things that have historically been really difficult for us to do. The drone kind of democratizes the data collection, and so we have this tool that we can take out whenever we need, put it up in the air, and collect really high resolution information or answer questions that we have. I'm Jason Carl. I'm a professor in the College of Natural Resources here at the University of Idaho. I'm the director of the Rangeland Center and also the lead for the drone lab here at the university. The purpose of the drone lab is to coordinate research and teaching around drones at the University of Idaho. So we teach a couple of drone related classes, and then we're always looking for students that are interested in being engaged in research projects. There are a number of projects going on. Professor Lita Kobziar is using drones to sample smoke from wildfires and to look for the presence of viruses and bacteria in the smoke. One is on the Curlew National Grasslands, and we're using drones to try to detect the effects of livestock grazing to reduce annual grasses and wildfire fuels that these annual grasses cause. We have a new project funded by the Bureau of Land Management to use drones to monitor the effectiveness of restoration treatments in streams and riparian areas and also in uplands on BLM lands in southern Idaho. And then I think a lot of the research that we're doing here with drones is going to directly translate into sort of outcomes or information that can solve real challenges in natural resources and in agriculture. I'd love to see the lab continue to grow, really expand the stable of drones that we have, the number of pilots that we have, and our ability to respond to projects and requests to fly.